This is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Friday, 29th of May. So we're going to start off with the euro against US dollar. Alright, so over here you're seeing the 4-hourly chart. As you can see, that as price has almost touched its final exhaustion level, Fuel expansion 161.8%, the price of 1.0811, price begin to rebound as it retraces within a probable falling trend channel itself. So we are actually expecting price to just retrace a little bit further before we look for the short opportunity. So zooming into the 1-hourly chart itself, we are actually hoping that the price can retrace a little bit higher, closer to the top of the falling trend channel, and as well as the 200 moving average as a key resistance level. So this area itself will be the key price to go for the shorts. Alright, so that's pretty much for the euro against US dollar. At the same time, of course, as it touches this level, that will be very close to the 55 moving average as well in the 4-hourly charts. So, of course, the price, the take profit levels, first we're looking at, will be at the price of 1.0861, followed by the final exhaustion level, the price of 1.0811, and further a little bit down will be at the price of 1.0723. Alright, so next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Currently price is staying supported at the figure as mentioned 141.4%, the price of 0.7135. Price has already broken below the previous low based on the day one chart at the price of 0.7190, and thus has already broke a 4-year new low. Alright, so however at this point of time we would like to see the price begin to retrace a little bit further. Looking at the 55 moving average as the key resistance level, or at least right before that will be the price of 0.7190. So somewhere at this region itself will be a good price to go for the shorts, expecting price to fall even further from here. Of course, if we got the shorts right here, the first level will be back to the support level at 0.7135, followed by 0.7076. From here onwards, we may have to use the fuel expansion level to prop for the further exhaustion level. So that's for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Next we have the pound against the US dollar. So based on the 4-hourly chart itself, price is beginning to retrace again. As we know, the price has already broken below the 200 moving average, so expected price to fall even further from here. Of course, price has also broken below the retracement level of 30.2%, which I'll be removing this right now. So zooming the smaller time frame itself in the 1-hourly charts, price is currently seeing resist at the 55 moving average. So we are looking for the short opportunity. In the 15-minute charts, somehow the price has been respecting the 200 moving average for pretty well, and so right now price is very close to the 200 moving average. We have seen 2 highs right here, and the third time it pulls back again, expecting price to really start to fall very soon. And of course today we have a few no, we don't have any news on the pound, so that could be something good actually, because that itself means that the technical analysis could probably be more effective in a way. So just looking for a short right here. If you were to go to short right here, you may want to place a stop loss a little bit high at the price of 1.5366. First take profit level will be back to the support level right here at the price of 1.5276. And expected it to fall even much further, and expected it to break even lower below the bottom of a probable falling trend channel, and all the way to the support level at the price of 1.5090. Alright, so this will be a very good opportunity to go for the short right now. Alright, so next we have the Aussie against the US dollar. So as we've seen, price ever since broken below 200 moving average has been falling tremendously, and right now it's about to hit the final exhaustion level, the price of 0.7603. Expected price to fall even further all the way back to the previous low, the price of 0.7522. These are the few take profit levels, and of course looking for entry price, we would like to see the price retrace a little bit further, closer to the 55 moving average before we look for the short opportunity. And of course in the 15-minute chart, and we do see the price has been respecting 200 moving average as well. So yes, by the time if it retraces a little bit further, in the 15-minute chart it might have touches the 200 moving average as well. That will be the region that we look to go for the shorts. So that's it. That's for Aussie against the US dollar. Next, we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. Price has been moving sideways. Previously, it did gain, but then it retraces and wipe out the previous gain. Right now, into the smaller time frame itself, we are seeing the price has been supported at the price of 123.60. At the same time, right now in the 1-hourly charts, price is being supported at the 55 moving average. This itself could be a very good signal to go for the long. We expect the price to rebound very soon. So into the 15-minute chart itself, based on this formation, we might expect price to come down a little bit further, maybe somewhere as touches the 123.67 level. We may go for the long opportunity. And of course, at the same time, we're also seeing the price is being resisted at the 200 moving average based on the 15-minute charts. So yes, just wait for a long opportunity right here. Of course, the take profit level will be all the way back to the resistance level right here at 124.34, followed by 124.67, and we are expecting price to really appreciate much further, all the way to 125.99, or rather 126. So that is for the dollar against the Japanese yen. And last but not least, we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. Currently, price has been retracing, and right now we are seeing the price is being supported at the 200 moving average, with the 55 moving average coming up and about to cross above the 200 moving average as well. So that could be a very good signal that price is about to begin to rebound and appreciate higher from here. Expect the price to appreciate all the way to the final absorption level of Fibonacci expansion 161.8% at the price of 0.9605. So if we zoom in the smaller time frame in the 1-hourly chart itself, similarly to the 4-hourly chart, price is also being supported at the 200 moving average. And based on past record, yes, the 200 moving average has been a good support level for the for dollar against the Swiss franc in the 1-hourly chart. And right now we're already seeing price already rebounding off and appreciating. Alright, so you may want to go for the long right now, just that the price might not be as good. But still possible, just reduce your risk a little bit further. You'll be expecting about 60 pips of stop loss, but on upside, all the way back to the previous high could be already 94 pips. Now, of course, the final level right here, that could give you about a total of 150 pips of profits for this trade itself. Alright, and last but not least, I would just like to touch on the Aussie against Japanese yen. Right, right now, price as we see is being supported at the 200 moving average. Alright, so it is quite a pretty clear-cut thing. In the weekly chart, we have the rising trend channel, and price is being supported at the bottom and beginning to rebound off. So we are expecting price to appreciate a little bit much more higher, in fact. And in day 1 chart, it is being supported at the 200 moving average, where at the same time, the 4-hourly chart, it is also being supported at the 200 moving average. So we are just waiting for some confirmation here before we go for a long opportunity. And of course, with the stochastic oscillator at the oversold zone. Alright, so that's for the Aussie against the Japanese yen, and with that I have come to the end of my trading analysis video for today. So thank you for watching, and good luck for the rest of the trading day. And of course, just remember today is a Friday, so try to reduce your risk a little bit more, and try to avoid trading as the night time comes. Alright, so thank you for watching.